we're back with the legendary Eric Schreiner, nature survivalist. And in this episode, I have no idea what we're going to do, but we found a bulldozer, so that's cool. Or he found a bulldozer, I didn't have any part in it. So if you do manage to... Oh!
Oh! Okay, I'll cover that back up. Okay. Okay.
Is there one on the other side?
I don't know where it went.
Oh!
Is it like...
So what do you have to say about the mice? What would you do if you were in a survival situation, you saw those mice?
I would take them and breed them so I could have more mice, and I would milk the mice.
Would you?
I had some milk.
Nice.
What if they're still here? That freaked me out.
Is there any down there? Whew. But why is there a bulldozer in this woods? Who knows? But whatever. We'll be back. If we survive, I mean, the mice. There's bees. I mean, maybe we get sick of this and we'll hang ourselves from this rope, but, well, we'll be back. So, the legendary Eric Schreiner, you've been living in these woods for a while. Can you tell me what we're coming up upon?
Coming up upon caution.
Oh, did you mark this, or did the Indians mark it?
Indians, because I did not. That's way too high for me.
Well, so what do you plan on doing soon, sometime? I mean, are you gonna do anything, or are you just gonna? Please don't tell me the bees are back. I don't want the bees to be back.
Just hey, have fun.
Oh, so you have no idea. You're definitely professional. We will be back with the legendary Eric Schreiner. We have found.
Where is it?
We have found a bit of wilderness. In this wilderness, I meant to say wildlife, but I said wilderness. But anyways, look at how its glands protrude on its back.
It's angry!
If you were in a survival situation, what would you do?
Absolutely nothing to that. No, that's absolutely disgusting. I wouldn't touch that thing.
Well, let's continue. I mean, if I was in the survival situation, but I'm a dog, so I'll eat anything, I would just swallow that thing whole, like a pill. That's just me. So we'll be back if anything else happens. Here, the legendary Eric Schreiner is demonstrating how camouflage can confuse incoming threats from animals. He is totally undetectable from any eye in the entire woods. But luckily, this high-tech camera can see him. Nice. Here, the legendary Eric Schreiner is doing a weapon demonstration. You can find these in any woods in the world, hopefully. I mean, unless you don't have sticks in your woods. But, show us the demonstration.
I'm gonna hit that tree right there. With this one, I mean.
Yay! I mean, yes, the legendary Eric Schreiner has showed us his skills. But that, unfortunately, will conclude this episode of Nature Survival with the legendary Eric Schreiner.
Actually did stick.
We will see you next time.